Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you are new to my channel, then please take a second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be trying out the wet look. I'm not going to talk for too long. I'm just going to jump straight into it. The only thing I've done is go ahead and co-wash my hair. So this is on freshly co-washed hair. And without further ado, let's get into this look. Okay, y'all, so jumping right in, as you can see, my hair is still wet considering I had just co-washed it. So what I'm going to do is take the Ededn foam conditioner from the Papaya Castor line, as well as the Xtreme Wetline gel, and put it to the test. So I'm starting off by spritzing any sections of my hair that had already dried up. So the front section always tends to do that. And then I'm just spritzing the rest of my hair just to lightly re-dampen it. That way the products can really soak in. Now I'm going to take a few pumps of that foam conditioner, which honestly I didn't need this much, but it's the wet look, so I was like, let's go for it. And I'm just going to apply this all throughout my hair, mainly focusing it at the front section of my hair as well as my hair shaft, but mainly the front because I did want to get that sleek pulled back look with this look. So yeah. I then went ahead and split my hair into two sections and applied a bit more of that conditioner just on the bottom section of my hair shaft. That way all of the product just sinks in and coats all of my strands and my hair still remains soft even after I apply the gel. So now for the fun part. I went in with the Xtreme Wetline gel and I didn't take as much as I thought I would. I actually took a moderate amount as if I were doing a wash and go, and I started at the ends of my hair as opposed to the front because I wanted to just really start slow and build my way up to the front portion of my hair. So now here I'm applying that gel in a smoothing motion towards the back because that was the style I had opted for. I had originally wanted to part my hair down the middle, but I decided against it. And now I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the conditioner, and I split my hair into two sections and applied a bit more of that gel on the bottom section of my hair. That way I can also reduce the volume and my hair doesn't get too big. And then just going into the main focus of this style, which is the hairline, I went ahead and smoothed the sides as well as the front section, but I was mainly focusing on the sides of my hair because that's what I really wanted to stand out with this look. And once I was completely satisfied, this is pretty much what I'm left with once I've gone ahead and coated all of my hair with that conditioner in gel. And so far, so good. So a next step I decided to do was to grab my hair dryer, and this is completely optional. You do not have to do this, but I decided to grab my hair dryer just to help my hair set in that wet style and so that it wouldn't necessarily puff up too much. But this is completely optional. If you want to let your hair air dry, you can totally do so. I actually feel like if you let it air dry, it would even turn out better. But if you want to have your hairs lay down flatter towards the front, then I would recommend this, but completely optional, totally up to you. It's just an extra step. So I'm just focusing that on around my hairline as well as the midsection of my hair. I then decided to take it down a bit towards the nape of my neck just to help it dry. Once I was completely done, I then went in with my Organics Mint Almond Oil, and you can see that it wasn't really necessary because I had a ton of shine in my hair already, but I just did this to help reduce some frizz. And you can see that while I do still have a bit of the volume, my hair did set in that wet look style, and I was really happy with the way this turned out. And of course, your girl got to pull out her baby hairs the old school way. And once I was done doing that, voila, this is what the completed style looks like, and I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to be trying this again. Alright guys, so here is the final look at my attempt with the wet look. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I can definitely say that it turned out a lot better than I expected. I was actually just really afraid to use too much gel in my hair, but I feel like the Xtreme gel as well as the foam conditioner worked really well together, because the foam conditioner by Ededn Body Works is really lightweight, and then the Xtreme gel, while it does have a lot of hold, it still leaves for a lot of movement in your hair. So if you're attempting this look without wanting to sacrifice putting tons of gel in your hair, I would definitely recommend using the Xtreme Wetline gel. While I do have like plenty of gel in my hair still feels really soft, and of course like the bottom section and stuff is still gonna be fluffy and big, which I actually really like. I think if I were going for a really sleek wet look, I would use more gel, but for my first try, I'm really liking the shine and just the overall look. Your girl feeling herself a little bit right now. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this vid, if you will be trying out the wet look this summer or for your nights out. I really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. If you really want to party with me, let me see just what you got for me.